My name is Maxx Ruth. I'm a senior at Cath, and I go to St. Augustine's Parish. This is Be the Brotherhood. Since I didn't go to a feeder school, coming in my freshman year, I didn't know anybody. But despite that, I made friends very easily. Even the people who came in from other feeder schools, they knew each other. They were still very open to expanding their friend groups. The clubs/activities that I'm involved in are theater, band, choir, culture club, green ambassadors, outdoor pursuits, NEHS, spike ball club, photo club, and mock drop. My favorite club is probably theater. I just love the performing arts. This school has like a nice little arts community and classes that you can take if you're really interested in that kind of stuff. We do 3 shows a year. One of them is a student-directed showcase with some help from the other student directors. I was the one who wrote the script and directed the majority of the scenes. It turned out really well. The pancake breakfast is something that my mom, who's been working at Cath for, I want to say 30 plus years now, has been doing for a really long time. It's always fun just, serving the sausages, making the pancakes. I think the guys have a lot of fun making the pancakes. My family is not Catholic, but I had never really considered the possibility until I got here, because the faith world at this place is so much more intense. You're so much more inspired to be Catholic. And there was one day I was walking down the hall and I was right in front of the chapel, and Mr. Schneider's walking past me. He's walking past and he turns around. I was like, "Oh, I was wondering, have you ever thought about getting baptized?" And I was like, "How'd you know?" That's what I was thinking about. From there, it was just organizing with Father Hennigan. I just had to be like, "Father, I want to get baptized." And he was like, "Yes, brother." I've been loving it ever since. Been living the Catholic life. Favorite teacher I've had this year, Mr. O'Connor with AP Literature. I love the analysis of it. I really enjoyed digging deep into those meanings of Jane Eyre and Frankenstein and stuff. And he's funny, but he's focused and he knows when to focus. And I really like that. The Brotherhood is definitely real. I've seen it so many times. I mean, I've had people, start talking to me like for the first time this year after senior retreats. I think I saw even more of that support when I finally made the decision that I wanted to get baptized. They're all there in support of my baptism. Like, they didn't even know me that well, but they just knew that I was taking a big step in my life. My time at Cath has been the best time of my life. The school has taught me so much. All the people who care, the teachers who want you to succeed in life. I don't know if there's many other schools that support us like Covington Catholic does.